Origination of the Bicolano people. The Bicolanos are an Austronesian ethnic group from the Bicol Region in southeastern Luzon, Philippines. Their ancestry can be traced through several waves of migration and cultural influences. Austronesian roots. Like most Filipinos, Bicolanos descend from Austronesian peoples who arrived in the Philippines around 2000 to 1500 BCE, before Common Era, same as BC, before Christ. These early settlers were skilled in farming, fishing, and weaving.
Pre-colonial Albay. Long before Spain, before churches and crosses, Albay was already alive. Early Albianos were Austronesian seafarers, farmers by plains, fishermen by the coasts, traders by instinct. They lived along the rivers and shores, Bacacay, Raparapu, Gino Batan, guided by Datus and Anitos, ancestral spirits of deceased relatives who continue to guide and protect the living. Nature spirits dwelling in mountains, rivers, trees, rocks, seas, volcanoes. Mayon was not feared but was respected. Guardian or lesser deities, helpers or higher gods. Bathala, Gugurang, and so forth. Gugurang is the supreme god or guardian of the Bicolanos. He is believed to live inside Mount Mayon. He represents goodness, order, justice, and protection. He guards a sacred fire inside Mayon. When people follow moral laws and respect nature, the fire stays calm. When humans become greedy, violent, or disrespectful, Gugurang lets Mayon erupt as a warning or punishment. Abaca and local importance. In the 1800s, Albay fed the world not with rice but with fiber. Abaca stronger than hemp, used by the navies, ships, and empires. Albay became the Abaca capital of the world, one of the richest provinces in the Philippines. History of the Bicol Region Part 1 will continue in our next episode, which will conclude the province of Albay and how Mayon got its name. Please subscribe to my channel, share, and like. Thank you.
Sa kalayo mo kami minatibay. Sa bawat pag-alsanin mayon, may mensahe nin pagbangon na tunay. Ang kultura